Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking one narrow niche that solves a clear problem. This focuses everything else. Once chosen, register free accounts with 2-3 affiliate networks and apply to relevant programs. Approval is often instant. Make one free content channel now, a simple blog on a free host, a YouTube channel, or a focused social profile. Do not scatter effort. You want assets that can publish links and build trust. Once live, start publishing your first practical review or tutorial immediately. You now shift to producing content that drives clicks and conversions. Make 5-10 pillar pieces answering buyer intent questions. Each should include a clear call to action, a short pros/cons list, and one honest personal angle or micro case. Once done, optimize titles, thumbnails, and descriptions for clarity and curiosity so people click. Make sections that directly address objections and include your affiliate link in at least 2 prominent spots. Repurpose posts into short clips, tweets, and images. You finish by tracking and scaling what works. Monitor clicks and conversions in each network dashboard and log them in a simple spreadsheet to spot winners. Once you identify top performers, double down, update content, create short-form spin-offs, and a /B test headlines and thumbnails. If results are poor, test moving CTAs, rewriting headlines, or swapping offers. Often that fixes low engagement. Lastly, make small iterative changes weekly. Consistency compounds, and your zero investment system will grow into steady affiliate income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.